In both the natural and spiritual realms, the concept of seed plays a vital role. The more seed there is, the better the chances of something sprouting and bearing fruit. This principle can be seen in various aspects of life, from agriculture to personal pursuits, and it is deeply rooted in biblical teachings. In the biological world, when conception occurs, thousands upon thousands of sperm cells race toward the egg. This abundance of seed increases the likelihood of fertilization. Similarly, in agriculture, a farmer doesn't plant just one seed, but scatters many seeds, knowing that not all will flourish. This principle of sowing abundantly aligns with the biblical idea of perseverance and diligence. The Bible often emphasizes the importance of continuous effort and not giving up. In the parable of the seed and the sower, some seeds fell on different types of ground, and only the seeds that fell on good soil produced a harvest. This parable underscores the idea that more seed increases the chances of finding fertile ground. Success in any endeavor requires continuous dedication. For example, becoming a lawyer, doctor, engineer, or educator demands ongoing study and commitment to one's field. Diligence and perseverance lead to the reward of expertise and achievement. Proverbs 10:4 states, "Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth." Persistence in prayer is also a recurring theme in the Bible. In Luke 11:5-10, Jesus tells the parable of a persistent friend who kept knocking on the door until he received what he needed. Likewise, in Luke 18:1-8, Jesus speaks of a persistent widow who kept seeking justice from an unjust judge until he granted her request. Jesus encourages us to keep asking, keep knocking, keep seeking. Another biblical example of persistence in prayer is found in the book of Daniel. Daniel prayed for 21 days before receiving an answer because of spiritual warfare in the heavenly realms. This story illustrates that sometimes answers to prayers are delayed due to unseen battles, but persistence prevails. In Matthew 17:20, Jesus speaks of having faith as small as a mustard seed and using it to speak to a mountain. Implication is that faith can grow like a small seed to eventually remove overwhelming obstacles. The continuous action of growing your faith and speaking to the mountain until it moves highlights the importance of unwavering faith and persistence. A similar lesson can be drawn from 2 Kings 13:18-19, where Elisha instructs King Joash to strike the ground with arrows. King Joash only strikes the ground 3 times, but Elisha tells him he should have struck it more. This story teaches us not to stop until we have accomplished our goals, even when it seems that little progress is being made. In conclusion, the principle of seed, perseverance, and continual action is deeply ingrained in both the natural world and the teachings of the Bible. Just as abundant seed increases the chances of a harvest, continuous effort and unwavering faith increase the likelihood of success in life. This godly principle encourages us to keep pursuing our goals with determination, knowing that our persistence will eventually lead to fruitful outcomes. Time, effort, and faith, combined with the principle of seed, can help us achieve the desires of our hearts and fulfill our purpose in life.